Hello and welcome back to Just the Chords. Today it is Wildflower by Billie Eilish. This song has two different patterns. We'll learn the first pattern that exists for the first part of the song, and then we'll learn the chorus pattern that then eventually just takes over for the whole song in the back half. This song is in D major, and we're gonna do a D major 7 chord, a little bit of a challenge today. So this chord has 4 notes: D, F sharp, A, and C sharp. We can stretch that D, F sharp, A, C sharp all the way at the top, or that C sharp could come be here, down at the bottom. You know, we could get kind of a fun crunch down there at the bottom. However you like it. The second chord that we'll move to is then a C sharp minor 7. Again, a 7 chord. C sharp minor 7. Give me a C sharp, E, G sharp, B. Yes, Billie has given us lovely jazzy tones here. And then the third and final chord we need for this first pattern is F sharp minor. So give me an F sharp, A, C sharp. That's our F sharp minor, giving us a black, white, black key there. So walking through that pattern for the first verse, the first pre-chorus, as well as the second verse, it comes back to it. We start on that D major 7. Practice putting the root in the left hand. Yeah, put that on a beat, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it light in this song. We go to that C sharp minor 7. Give me that 4 light beats. And then that F sharp minor for 8 beats, twice as long. Then it restarts. D major 7, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor for twice as long. And it keeps repeating until we get to that first chorus. Here is now the second pattern of Wildflower. We start again on that D major 7, oh yay. Same as before, we know it, we love it. Big crab claw. So, a measure of that. But let's just get on to the next chord. We then rise it right next door to an E major. E, G sharp, B. E, G sharp, B, E major. Practice putting a root in the left hand. And then we need a C sharp major 7. So we'll start again on that C sharp, but we're gonna lift the third, the middle note, up a half step to E sharp, otherwise known as F, C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, and that same B as before. Yes. We now know all of the chords, we just need to know where to go from here. So we go on to our F sharp minor again. We know it, we love it. And finally, to get this pattern back to where it started, walk it to an E major, backwards, back down to that D major 7, where we started. So on the chorus pattern, let's practice walking through those chords in rhythm. 2, 3, 4, start on D major 7. Keep it light to that E major, to that C sharp major 7. It repeats D major 7 to E. 2 bass notes in my left hand now. F sharp minor, walk it down, walk it down. Yes, at the end, we walk down that F sharp minor to that E, to that D. That happens within that pattern, but it also prepares us for the next section, whether it's the verse, the bridge, the outro. We're always ready to go on with that pattern. Go back and practice those. Practice makes perfect, and then put it together for your own special masterpiece of Wildflower. Be sure to like, Comment, subscribe, share, anything helps, and check out our memberships to get early access to great videos like these and a slew of members-only videos to beef up your piano skills. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.